But basically, the very first sentence, the first line, the first section of the tax code says everything you make is taxable, right? And
Right.
if that's in there, then why do we need the other 3,000 pages, right? And after that statement, that's what the other 3,000 pages are for. And I don't know, like I've never actually read all 3,000 pages front to back, but according to GTP, it said that 38% of that tax code is applicable to one form or another, people who are putting their money in real estate. So the majority of the tax incentives the IRS is using real estate because they need to drive economic behavior. They need to drive economic outcomes, and real estate's a major GDP driver. So they give people like you, like me, who raise our financial IQ incentives to say, hey, go do more of that, provide housing, provide resources, provide a great service to the economy, both local and federal, and you get to keep more of your money. And that right there, it made it so much easier for me, right? When I quit my job, I had cash flow coming in independent of taxes. I was making $150,000 a year, but that's not what I was keeping. After you take out taxes and money going to savings, I only needed about $6,700 of monthly tax-free income to replace my bare bones basic living expenses. So if I can understand the tax game, it becomes so much easier to create financial freedom in a very short period of time.
Yeah. And I think it's funny. You don't first you start off just like you said, trying to create that financial freedom. But then the icing on the cake are the tax, because that's the piece that I didn't even understand until I started getting in the game.